The South Pole, a place of extremes, where the environment is as harsh as it is breathtaking. It's the southernmost point on Earth, a place of ice and snow, where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows, where the sun shines for 6 months straight, casting an eternal daylight over the frozen expanse, then vanishes for the next 6, plunging the continent into a prolonged, frigid night. It's a continent of extremes, a place that tests the limits of human endurance and resilience. But it's also a place of immense beauty, with stunning ice formations and vast snowy landscapes that seem almost otherworldly. A place that holds clues to the history of our planet and the future of our climate, locked within its ancient ice cores. The South Pole has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries, drawing them to its remote and inhospitable terrain. They've braved treacherous journeys, facing extreme cold, fierce winds, and isolation to reach this remote location, driven by a thirst for discovery and a desire to push the boundaries of human knowledge, conducting experiments and research that have expanded our understanding of the world. Their efforts have yielded invaluable insights into our planet's climate, geology, and history, revealing the dynamic processes that shape our world. But the South Pole is not just a place of scientific interest. It holds a deeper significance that transcends the realm of science. It's also a symbol of international cooperation, where flags of different nations fly side by side at research stations. Countries from around the world have come together to build research stations and work collaboratively, conducting scientific studies in this harsh and unforgiving environment, united by a common goal of understanding and preserving our planet. In the face of climate change, the South Pole has taken on even greater significance, serving as a critical indicator of the health of our planet. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet has the potential to raise sea levels dramatically and reshape coastlines around the world, affecting millions of people living in coastal areas. Understanding the processes driving these changes is crucial for mitigating the impacts of climate change, making the research conducted here more important than ever before. The South Pole is located at 90 degrees south latitude, marking the point where the Earth's axis of rotation intersects its surface. Unlike the North Pole, which sits on a frozen ocean, the South Pole is situated on a continental landmass, Antarctica, a place of stark beauty and extreme conditions. This vast, icy desert is covered by an ice sheet that averages over a mile thick, making it one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent, a remote and largely uninhabited land of ice and snow. Surrounded by the Southern Ocean, it's roughly twice the size of Australia, making it the 5th largest continent. The continent is divided into East Antarctica and West Antarctica by the Transantarctic Mountains, a range that stretches across the continent. The South Pole lies on the high, icy plateau of East Antarctica, a region known for its extreme cold and isolation. The South Pole is a place of geographical extremes, with temperatures that can plummet to -80 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the southernmost point on Earth's axis of rotation, a point of great scientific interest and exploration. All directions from the South Pole point north, a unique feature that makes navigation here particularly challenging. The South Pole experiences 6 months of continuous daylight during the austral summer and 6 months of continuous darkness during the austral winter, creating a unique and challenging environment for those who live and work here. The South Pole is a land of ice and snow, a winter wonderland that is both beautiful and forbidding. Shaped by powerful katabatic winds that sweep down from the high interior plateau, these winds can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. These winds create vast snow dunes and sculpted ice formations, creating an otherworldly landscape that is constantly changing and evolving.